Good morning, friends. Last lecture we had to discuss about the concentration of the defects and the introduction of these defects. Okay, we had to discuss of the concentration of defects of the number of Scotty defects and the formula of the number of Scotty defects and the introduction of the concentration of the defects. Okay, in this concentration of defect we have to discuss about the number of Scotty defects formula. Okay, therefore in this lecture we have to discuss about the number of Scotty defects formula and the number of Frenkel defects. Okay, therefore the number of Scotty defects is the ns. Okay, you have to also know about the number of Scotty defect. It is denoted as small ns per unit volume at the temperature and the Kelvin. Then will be the ns cation. Ns cation means therefore it is known as number of Scotty defect cation vacancy, number of Scotty defect cation vacancy, and the number of Scotty defect anion vacancy in the crystal containing nitrogen. In crystal containing nitrogen means this nitrogen, therefore this crystal containing nitrogen, and it is formation of the number of Scotty defects of the cation vacancy and number of Scotty defects of anion vacancy in crystal containing nitrogen. Means your crystal is a containing nitrogen, and this nitrogen containing crystal, it is a formation of number of Scotty defects of cation vacancy and the number of Scotty defects of anion vacancy. Okay, then we have to actually start with the derivation of the number of Scotty defects formula. Okay, then the Boltzmann formula for the entropy, you have to know about the Boltzmann formula, that about the S is equal to, S means that is a entropy. Okay, S is equal to K ln W. Okay, this is the formula of the Boltzmann formula, and therefore the W is equal to that the number of waves distributing the number of Scotty defects. Okay, the W means that is the number of waves distributing the number of Scotty defects, means the number of Scotty defect, it is a distributed the number of waves that denoted in capital W, and the K is equal to Boltzmann constant. K is equal to Boltzmann constant, and it probably theory shows that W is given by, therefore you have to probability theory of the W is given by that about the capital W is equal to capital N experimentary upon the upon into bracket N minus small n bracket is completed, then the experimentary, then small n experimentary. Okay, this is the probability theory of that W is given by capital W is equal to capital N experimentary upon capital N minus n bracket complete explanatory into small n explanatory. Okay, this is the formula of the W, that the W means that is the number of waves, it is distributed by the ns, that is the number of Scotty defects. Okay, therefore where n explanatory is equal to n into bracket n into bracket n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. Okay, this is the n explanatory. Then the number of waves, it is a distributed cation vacancy. Number of waves, it is a distributed cation vacancy, means therefore the in the cation vacancy there were how many number of waves of the distributed the cation vacancy, and it will be shows that WC, it will be shows in WC. Therefore the number of waves distributed cation vacancy, it shows in WC. Therefore the WC is equal to n explanatory upon into bracket capital N minus ns explanatory. Okay, into ns explanatory. Okay, this is the formula of the number of cation vacancy, number of waves of distributed by cation vacancy, and this is the formula that is about the WC is equal to capital N explanatory upon into bracket n capital N minus ns bracket complete explanatory into ns explanatory. Okay, this is the cation vacancy, and for anion vacancy therefore WA is equal to capital N explanatory upon into bracket n minus ns into explanatory into ns explanatory. Okay, therefore the formula is the same, but its symbol is different. That is about the cation vacancy, it shows that WC, and anion vacancy it shows as WA. Okay, Therefore, the distributing defect, the W is given by the product. Okay, distributing defect. Therefore, W is given by product. Your W is a distributing defects, and this defect it is given by the product. Which product? Therefore, the multiplication of WC into WA, it is a formation of distributing defect. That is about W. Okay, the formula is W is equal to WC. W is equal to WC into WA. Okay, the change in entropy due to introducing defects, change in entropy due to introducing defect into perfect crystal. Okay, your entropy is a change, and this entropy is a change due to introducing defect into the perfect crystal. Okay, therefore the delta S is equal to K ln W is equal to K ln into bracket W means you are known about the W formula, that is the number of ways of distributed by the NS defect. Okay, that you have to know about the W formula, and this W formula it is put into this equation of the entropy. Okay, therefore the K ln into bracket N explanatory upon into bracket N minus NS explanatory into NS explanatory bracket complete raised to square. Therefore this 2 raised to square, that is denoted as 2, this 2 it is a provided it is a put up above of the K. Okay, the why it is, because you have to know about the derivation of the e raised to x. Okay, e raised to x it is denoted as x log e. Okay, that shown in this formula. Okay, therefore the 2k ln into bracket n capital N explanatory upon capital N minus ns explanatory into ns explanatory. Okay, therefore the expression become after manipulation. Okay, this expression becomes after manipulation. You have to firstly manipulation of this equation, that is about the delta S is equal to delta 2k. Okay, 2k into bracket n log of n minus into bracket n minus ns bracket complete into log of n minus ns bracket complete minus ns log of ns. Okay, this is the expression become after the manipulation. Okay, then the enthalpy change for the formation of ns defect is the ns into delta Hs and the Gibbs free energy change. Okay, your enthalpy change for the formation of NS defect, your enthalpy is change for formation of NS defect. You have to form the NS defect, and therefore your enthalpy is change for the formation. Okay, and is Ns into delta Hs, the Gibbs free energy change is equal to delta G is equal to Ns delta Hs minus 2 kT into bracket n log of Ns minus into bracket n minus Ns log of n minus Ns minus Ns log of Ns. Okay, this is the Gibbs free energy change. Okay, then at equilibrium at constant T, the Gibbs free energy of the system must be a minimum. Okay, at the equilibrium state, therefore the temperature is constant and the Gibbs free energy of the system is minimum with respect to changes. The number of defect is Ns. Okay, thus the d delta G upon dNs is equal to 0. Okay, this is the formula. Therefore the delta Hs minus 2 kT into d, that is a differentiate the equation of the n log n. Okay, therefore differentiate into bracket n log of n minus into bracket n minus ns log of n minus ns log of ns is equal to 0. Okay, you have to know about the n log of n is a constant, n log of n is a constant, hence it is a differentiate is 0, means n log of n is a constant, hence its differential is 0, and it is a differential of log of x is 1 upon x. You have to differentiate the log of x, and it is a 1 upon x, and the x log of x, its differentiate is 1 plus log of x, and differentiating we get the delta Hs minus 2 kT into bracket log of n minus ns plus 1 minus log of ns minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the expression of the delta Hs. Okay, then hence the delta Hs is equal to 2 kT log of into bracket n minus ns upon ns, and the ns is equal to capital N minus ns. Okay, this value you have to put into this equation, that is about the exp into bracket minus 2hs upon 2kt. As a nitrogen is greater than the ns, it can be approximate, that is about the n minus ns by the nitrogen, and it is finally giving the formula of the number of Scotty defect is about the ns is equal to n experiment into bracket minus delta hs upon 2kt. Okay, therefore this equation, this Scotty number of Scotty defect equation in the molar quantity, therefore you are change the Boltzmann constant, it is replaces by the universal gas constant, that is R. That is formula is about in the molar quantity is ns is equal to nxp into bracket minus delta hs upon 2 rt, bracket is completed. Okay, this is the number of Scotty defect in the molar quantity. Okay, then now the delta hs is the enthalpy required to form the 1 mole of the Scotty defects. Okay, in the delta hs we have to know about the enthalpy required to form 1 mole of Scotty defect, it is denoted as delta hs, and the R is the universal gas constant, R is a universal gas constant, therefore delta hs unit in the joule. Okay, the enthalpy of the delta hs unit in joule, the number of Frenkel defect present in crystal mx. Okay, therefore this is the formula of the ns, that is about the ns is equal to capital N exp into bracket minus delta hs upon 2 rt, this is the formula of the number of Scotty defect. Okay, then the number of Frenkel defect, it is a present in crystal mx given by expression, that is about the nf approximate into bracket capital N into capital Ni raised to 1 half into experiment minus delta hf upon delta kt 2 kt, and bracket is completed. Okay, this is the number of Frenkel defect crystal formula in the mx. Okay, then where the nf is equal to number of Frenkel defect per unit volume, nf is known as number of Frenkel defect in per unit volume, capital N is equal to number of lattice site, Ni is equal to number of intestinal sites, delta hf is the enthalpy of formation of the Frenkel defect, delta hf is, it is known as enthalpy of the formation of Frenkel defect. If delta hf is the enthalpy formation, if delta hf is the enthalpy formation of 1 mole of Frenkel defects. Okay, your delta hf is the enthalpy formation of 1 mole of Frenkel defect. Okay, and the expression is nf is equal to into bracket n into ni raised to 1 half into experiment into bracket minus delta hf upon 2 rt. Okay, therefore the Boltzmann constant, it is replaces by, or it is converted into the universal gas constant, and the formula of the number of Frenkel defect is about nf is equal to into bracket n into ni raised to 1 half into exp raised to minus delta hf upon 2 rt. Okay, this is the number of Frenkel defect. Okay, this is the two formula we have to discuss in this concentration of defect, that is about the number of Scotty defects and the number of Frenkel defects. Okay, these two formula it is used in the problem on these Scotty defects. Okay, therefore this concentration of defect and extinction defect, these 2 point it is over. Next time we discuss about the ionic conductivity in solid. Okay, thank you.